my name's Eve and I will be taking on the role of the assistant photographer.
My name's Alex Simpson and my role in Apostle will be in the production.
My name's Amber and I'll be in the editing department.
My name's Norman Porter and on Apostle I'll be a trainee in the art department.
Well, my name is Jack Marasco and I'll be taking on locations.
Foot in the Door was born out of an increased demand for capacity and inclusivity in the creative industries in Wales.
So getting young people to come and be on a live set and see what goes into it. Really important to get young people to come and see that so they go, oh, I see that can exist for me. It's not just, I don't just have to be an actor.
My name is Jan Climo and the role I'll be undertaking on Apostle will be wardrobe assistant.
My name is Jamie Lee Grierson and I'm in hair and makeup.
My name is Jason Barnes and I am working in the sound department.
My name is Lewis Arthur and I'll be taking the script supervision role on set.
I'm Mike Brazier and I'll be working in the art department.
I'm Elias, Elliot Ash, and I'll be doing the bit of, I'm placed in the production. Ideally, I'd like to do something in the post-production audio, maybe like music composition or something like that as well.
The Foot in the Door pilot has shown that it is possible to provide career pathways for individuals from a variety of different backgrounds with the right partnerships and supports.
It's about thinking about what you've done and making it relevant to what you want to do, because it's about the sort of person you are, not your experience yet.
It's a whole new world. It's completely different and it has opened my eyes to where I can look to get further jobs within the industry, and it's not such a strange world.
If you're willing to put that into it, what you get out from it is just this amazing life where you feel truly fulfilled and happy, and you're not doing a job that you feel that you go into work. You go into work, you know, you're really loving what you're doing.
I think that this has really taught me how to be more confident and how to speak to people. Even just the people in Foot in the Door, just being with them and talking to them has been a really nice experience, and they're all really nice people.
I actually realised that I knew a lot more than I actually thought, and it actually made me think that I could actually go a lot further than I ever hoped possible.
On behalf of Ed and Severn Screen, we were absolutely thrilled, and I know how hard Pauline's worked, and Kimberly and Nick and everyone at Ffilm Cymru to realise this project along with Charter. So it's the first of what Pauline says, you know, it's hopefully a long kind of series of steps to get you to where you want to be.
We're now excited to take this learning and to roll Foot in the Door out pan Wales, bolstered by support from the other national arts organisations.
Everybody who's been involved in the process from start to now, those days where you feel like it's not worth it, or it's not going to work, or that this process is going to fail, or we might not get a result we don't need, please look at us now and realise that we appreciate, and everybody involved appreciates all your hard work, and everything you've done has really made a difference, not only for the industry in pooling talent, but for us personally as people. We've developed from situations that didn't look so great to now the future looks a little bit brighter. So we all just want to say thank you so much.
We've grown, haven't we?